Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Dushyant Pradeep and you are watching physics classes by Dr. Dushyant. From today onwards we are going to have a quick revision of all the chapters of class 11th and class 12th. We are going through all the chapters which are prescribed in the curriculum of CBSE as well as J&K State Board of School Education. All these lectures, all these topics and all these chapters will be discussed one by one so that we can go through them for our quick revision for coming examinations of class 12th. So आप सभी जो क्विक रिविजन में पार्ट कर लेना चाहते हैं उन सभी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें so that we can have a good audience and student group to discuss different problems that you are facing during the revision of your class 12th physics topics. So for our first lecture, that is going to be your next lecture, we are going to discuss the different topics from electrostatics. That is the first chapter, जो कि आपका फर्स्ट चैप्टर है क्लास 12th के करिकुलम का, बोथ जेके स्टेट बोर्ड एज वेल एज सीबीएसई करिकुलम. सो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें सो दैट आप जल्दी से जल्दी क्विक रिवीजन के थ्रू अपने टॉपिक्स को और ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से रिवाइज कर सकें. थैंक यू, हैव अ ग्रेट डे, enjoy the lectures, but don't forget to like and subscribe the channel Physics Classes by Dr. Dushyant. Goodbye.